Hello everyone, I am Krishna Finovia. Today I am discussing about barter system website. Today I am discussing about Sprint2 individual contribution by me for the barter system website. The next slide is about me. So my name is Krishna Dineshwar Finavya and my ID is 30393712. And in this project, I am working as a front-end developer, and in the Sprint2, I am working the 60 hours. The next slide is about my accomplishment in this Sprint. So I implemented React.js front-end library for creating the barter transactions, remove or ban users page, send and request friend request, posting items and for the barter, and send and request barter request page for the website. So here we can see the code for that. And I also implemented Tailwind CSS and the utility CSS framework for styling the barter system website. The next slide is about user story I contributed for this Sprint2. So as an admin, admin can view all the transaction made along the corresponding users, and the admin also can remove or ban the user performing inappropriate activities. Then as a user can send and request friend request to the other to easily communicate the barter with them future in the future. And the next user story is about user can post item for the barter, and user can also send or receive a barter request, and also they can agree or decline receive barter request. The next slide is about the barter transaction. So here we can see there is a code for the barter transaction, and there is a barter transactions history if they wants to remove or decline like this. The next is for the admin can remove or ban the user. So as per we can see there is a code for the remove and ban the user, and here we can see the admin can ban the users and also remove the user. The next slide is for the send and receive friend request. If user wants to send the request to the another user for the of for the future, so they can easily can conversation from this. Then next slide is for the post item for the barter. So if you want to add the items, then you need to put all the information about the image, and there is the code for the post item for the barter. Then the next slide is for the send barter request. If user wants to send barter request, then they need to click on this item, and which item they need to barter. The next slide is for the receive and the accept and decline barter request. User can receive the barter request. If user wants to accept, they need to accept, click on the accept button, or if they doesn't want to barter the that barter request, then they need to do decline. The next is for the what I learned from in this sprint. So this is the developing and maintaining the user interface for the website, and optimizing the user experience by adding the required features, and creating a tool that improve website interaction, and fixing bugs that arise on the testing of the website. The next is for how did I apply stream specific knowledge. So implementing React front end library for the creating and the rendering the admin and user interface, and I also use the Tailwind CSS and Node.js for the runtime running for the JavaScript on the server. The next is for the what could have gone better in this sprint. So time schedule could have been allowed more strictly, and team meetings could have been arranged with the project supervisor for the detailed feedback on the website development, and the color scheme of the website could have been improved for clear visibility of the text. Thank you for listening me.